Okay na? So natural rubber, it consists of basic material latex, which is a dispersion of isoprene during the treatment. I already explained. Rubbers to consist of a latex, it contains isoprene monomers. The isoprene monomers polymerize to form long coiled chain of cis polyisoprene. In case cis polyisoprene is called Hevea brasiliensis tree rubber. In case to form long coiled chain of trans polyisoprene means gutta percha. The molecular weight of raw rubber is about 1 lakh to 1,50,000 and some units. See, next, preparation of the rubbers. Preparation of rubber. The main source of natural rubber is the saps of plants like Hevea brasiliensis. Hevea brasiliensis. This is the plant name. How to source rubber? Source natural rubber is the saps of plants. Like a saps means bark of plants is called. How to on the bark place to release the latex. The rubber latex, it is also called milky liquid rubber. Milky liquid rubber is collected by scratching the bark of the rubber trees. Already I explained. Cut the bark of rubber trees to release the liquid. Liquid is called latex. It is colloidal emulsion containing about 25 to 40% of rubber. Actually, latex is colloidal solutions. Colloidal milk is also colloidal solution. Milk. In the milk, water content is also available. Fatty acids also available. At the same time, in the latex, to contains 25 to 40% of rubber available. Remaining is water content is available. Latex is diluted with water to contains between 50 to 20% of rubber and filter to eliminate any dead particles in it. For example, the rubber trees to release the latex, which latex to contains 25 to 40% of rubber, but in the rubber to contain some dust particles. How to form dust particles? In case the collecting process, the bark of rubber trees, tubs or buckets are put deep in the plants. The milky liquids slowly pass into the buckets. At the same time, the plant leaves dust the atmosphere. Waste materials also put in the buckets. So waste also mixed the latex. That's why first of all the waste are first removed. How to remove? By adding some amount of water. And filter. On the filtration process, waste materials are removed. After filtration process, to create crude rubber. The crude rubber, to prepare two types of natural rubber. One is crude rubber to smoked rubber. At the same time, crude rubber to crepey rubber. Crude rubber to smoked rubber and crude rubber to crepey rubber. So both are the similar process. Some points are different. It is the drying in atmosphere. In this process, the rubber is drying in smoke chamber. Only that is the different. Okay. First of all, the rubber from the latex filtration process to create crude rubber. Okay. The crude rubber is treated with a small amount of sodium bisulfate. Sodium bisulfate. Sodium bisulfate, that is the mistake. Sodium bisulfate to bleach the color and pass into rollers which produce 1 millimeter or more thickness sheets. Okay, now resembling crepey paper and dried in a 40 to 50 degree temperatures. That means it is the short formation. Actually, the crude rubber, okay, the crude rubber first addition by the ammonium sulfate or ammonium phosphate, that is called coagulation process. On the coagulation process, after coagulations, it is placed in a trace before that trace addition of the sodium bisulfate. Okay, na, it is placed in a trace which trace are to remove the water to create a large sheets, which sheets are passed into rollers to create sheet rubber. So, crude rubber to sheet rubber. First, it is to convert into sheet rubber by pass of rollers. The sheet rubber is dried in atmosphere conditions. The temperature is 40 to 50 degree temperatures. Okay, 3 or 4 days are drying process to create crepey rubber. Rubbers. Okay. Also to prepare smoked rubber from crude rubber. Okay. On the crude rubber process, it is coagulations is carried out in a large tanks. That process, the crude rubber coagulation by sodium bisulfate, in coagulation by also sodium bisulfate, but it is placed in a large tank. The large tank, put in the large tank and allowed the stand 16 hours. Allowed the stand 16 hours. In this process, all wet water materials, water content are removed. Okay. So, to create sheets of rubber, to create the crude slabs, it is called slabs, are passed through the roller. Same. That process also similar to this process. Okay. The slabs are passed through a rollers. Okay. To obtain sheet rubber. The form of the sheets, the formation of the sheets, okay, heating in a smoking house, smoked chamber, heating in a smoked house, okay, at 45 to 50 degree temperature, whereby sheet is dried within 4 days. Same, based on the nature of the temperature, both are the similar to same, but only one is the different. There is that rubber preparation process drying in a atmosphere. In this process, dried in a smoked chamber or smoked house. The crude rubber obtained is a translucent and embedded in a color, and it is not attacked by microorganisms. So crude rubber is not attacked by microorganisms. Okay. First of all, rubber to form latex. Next, dilution. Next, filtration. Next, crude rubber. It is large tanks, and crude rubber is also taken in a partition plates. The partition plates to convert into passed into rollers. Sheet rubber, it is dried in atmosphere to form crepey rubber. The first process. And then a large rectangle tanks to form slabs passed into rollers form a sheet rubber. The sheet rubber passed in a smoked chamber or smoking house to form smoked rubber. Both are you same process, but only different. It is the drying in a smoking house, it is drying in a atmosphere. So this is the flow chart of the preparation of the natural rubber or processing of natural rubber. So we will write this process. Okay, in this process, processing of natural rubber to prepare smoked rubber or crepey rubber. But the smoked rubber or crepey rubber have some drawbacks. It's called drawbacks of crude or natural rubber. So, which drawbacks are present in the natural rubber? That's why they cannot be used in rubber applications. First of all, which drawbacks are removed, or the drawbacks are modified, improved, characters are improved process. The characters improved in the natural rubber is the one of the technology process called vulcanization rubber. Improve the natural rubber characters is also called vulcanizations. Okay, which characters are improved? For example, which characters are drawbacks? That is, it becomes soft and sticky. It becomes soft and sticky. It becomes soft and sticky at a slightly high temperature, and it is brittle at a low temperature. In high temperature, it is to melt into soft. In case low temperature, it is brittle nature. In case this type of natural rubber, in case used in the like a rubber like a tire or tube on the road, travel the road, the tire in the summer season, the road is very high temperature by absorbing the light sunlight. So on that particular places, the high temperatures are absorb the rubber. It is to convert it to soft, so cannot use this type of rubber in the rubber applications. So it is high at a high temperature. It is to convert into soft, and low temperature brittle characters. To show high water absorption, it is easily absorption by water. like a sponge. Okay, it show little durability and it show low tensile strength. In case load is pressure is high pressure, high load is on the rubber strength is tensile strength is weak. Low tensile nature means, okay na, low capacity, low stability, low stamina characters. It is react with non-polar solvents like gasoline, benzene, CCl4, and also some points are also available. First point is it is soft at high temperature. The second point is it is brittle at low temperature. Drawbacks. The third point is it is easily reactive with water. Easily reactive means it is easily absorbed by water. The fourth point is it is easily reactive with non-polar solvents, and also some points are available. One is it is easily reactive with atmosphere conditions. And that means it is easily reactive with CO2, SO2, light, moisture, and etc. So it is easily reactive with atmosphere conditions, and also it is easily reactive with some organic solvents like benzene, chlorine, and etc. That is the drawbacks of natural rubber. That means which rubber is more active. Which rubber is more active. That means all elements are reaction process, involved in the reaction process. So this is the drawbacks of natural rubber. How to remove drawbacks in natural rubber? The process is called vulcanization. How to trace up the drawbacks in a natural rubber? Because in a natural rubber, the structure is linear structure. It contains all monomers are linearly. Okay. So linear structure molecular any material is a soft nature, is a weak compound. When the molecule, in case the molecule is cross-linked nature, that is hard. Simple technique, the linear structure of rubber to convert into cross-linked structure of rubber, that is called vulcanized rubber. So vulcanized rubber or natural rubber both are same, but only different is raw rubber have a linear structure. It cannot rise of the sulfur, but vulcanized rubber have a cross-linked structure and also rise of the sulfur. Okay, now it is called vulcanization. So vulcanization. What is the vulcanization? Actually, this vulcanization process is first discovered by Charles Goodyear. The process of heating the raw rubber. How to vulcanization the rubber? The process of heating the raw rubber with the sulfur at 120 to 140 degree temperature. At 120 to 140 degree temperature, the raw rubber addition by sulfur or adding in the sulfur amount are added in a rubber at 120 to 140 degree temperature. The raw rubber to convert into vulcanized rubber. The process is called vulcanization. The preparation process is called vulcanization. So after complete the vulcanization, the raw rubber to convert into vulcanized rubber. That means the raw rubber linear structure molecules to convert into cross-linked molecules with sulfur. So that's why to improve the properties of rubber characters. All drawbacks characters are opposite natures. That means it cannot soft at high temperature, it cannot brittle at low temperature, it cannot absorption of water, it cannot react with atmosphere conditions, it cannot react with organic solvents. That is the opposite. Okay, now Drawbacks points, all points are oppositely, in case you will write, there is called advantages of vulcanized rubber. So, okay, to improve the properties of rubber, it is compounded with some chemicals, like which chemicals are added? Mainly, most of the industries to add the sulfur. To add the sulfur. Some cases to use the hydrogen sulfide, benzyl chloride, and etc. The added sulfur combined chemically at the double bonds. The added sulfur, which place are present? Linear molecules of natural rubber have a double bond. Cis formation or transformation. Already I explained cis formation and transformation of isoprene monomers present in the latex is. Okay na? Is called natural rubber. Okay na? In the natural rubber to contains linear molecules, linear monomers, which linear monomers have a unsaturations. That means it contains double bond between the carbons. The double bonds are broken. Which double bonds are break and replaced by sigma bond with sulfur. Okay, which are the cannot connect the same molecule, connect the another molecules. That way it is connect the cross-linked. So the addition of sulfur combines chemically at the double bonds. Okay na? Vulcanized rubber is about 10 times stronger than natural rubber. Vulcanized rubber is 10 times stronger than natural rubber, and it also about 10 times more easy. Okay, the extent of vulcanization depends on amount of sulfur addition. So based on the process, it is depend on the sulfur. How more amount of sulfur added, the process more time, taken the more time. At the same time, addition of the more amount of sulfur, in case addition of the more amount of sulfur to improve the hardness character in the rubber. For example, tire rubber may consist of 3 to 5%. Tire rubber to contains 3 to 5% of sulfur. But battery case rubbers, some battery rubbers, okay na, may consist of much more, 30% of sulfur. Tire rubber only to contains 3 to 5%. Okay na. Battery rubber to contains 30%. Okay. Very hard rubber, that is called vulcanity or embolient or hard rubber to contains about 32% of sulfur. So based on the sulfur, the hardness is depends. The rubber hardness is depend on the base addition of the sulfur. High amount of addition of the sulfur to improve the hardness. Simple. Tire rubber, battery rubber, hard rubbers. Case tube rubber, TUBE, tube rubber to contains only 0.3 to 0.5% of sulfur. Is only 0.3 to 0.5% of sulfur. Okay, tube rubber to contains 0.3 to 0.5% of sulfur. That's why it is very soft. In case the sulfur amount increase 3 to 5, there is called tire rubber. In case the sulfur amount is very increased 30%, there is called battery rubber. More increase the percentage of sulfur 32, there is very, very hard rubber. There is the vulcanizations. What is the vulcanizations? Vulcanization is a preparation of the vulcanized rubber or cross-linked molecules rubber from the natural rubber is called vulcanization. In this process, first discovered by Charles Goodyear. In this process, at 120 to 140 degree temperature, dilution of the sulfur in a natural rubber to create vulcanized rubber. In this process, linear structure molecules convert into cross-linked molecules. For example, see CH2, CH double bond, CH2, CH2. This is the monomer. Another monomer, CH2, CH double bond, CH2. Right. CH2. Okay. Okay. CH. This is the natural rubber. This is natural rubber. On the vulcanization process, vulcanization process, CH2C, CH3, CH2. Yes. CH2. This is the both are converted to cross-linked. Two monomers are available. Only I will explain only two based on these two monomers. The two monomers linear, but the two monomers cross-linked with sulfur. Okay, that is called vulcanized rubber. So in the linear nature is called natural rubber. Cross-linked nature is called vulcanized rubber. It is hard rubber. It is weak rubber. It contains some drawbacks. It is called drawbacks of natural rubber. Which is the drawback? Easily absorption by water, easily soft, high temperature, brittle, low temperature, easily react with the atmospheric condition, easily react with the organic solvents. But vulcanized rubber cannot react with the organic solvents, cannot react with the atmospheric condition, it cannot absorption of water, it cannot soft, it cannot brittle. It is called vulcanized rubber characters. This is the rubber reduction, processing of natural rubber. Okay, in this class the summary is what is the rubber, processing of natural rubber, drawbacks of natural rubber, vulcanization. This is the summary of these classes. Okay, thank you.